Agi here back with another video. If you're looking for the perfect blend of architecture, local fashion, and just a really good spot to hang out in Bandung, you're gonna want to watch this one. So right now, we are on Jalan Cimanuk number 5A, right in the heart of the city's creative hub. And behind me is the newly built Mankind Studios.
Mankind Studios, designed by the brilliant minds at Studio Kota, specifically led by architect Eric Cristanto. This isn't just your average building, it's a fully integrated mixed-use commercial space. Bandung is already famous for its aesthetic cafes and local brands. But what Studio Kota did here is take a relatively compact urban site and turn it into a multi-sensory experience.
Let's check the first.
Okay, let's talk about the exterior first. From the street, the architecture immediately grabs your attention. Studio Kota went with a very contemporary, slightly raw look that perfectly fits the cool, elevated climate of Bandung. Instead of just throwing up a massive concrete box, the facade is designed to be a climate responsive. They played around with the meshing and natural ventilation, so the building actually breathes. But the best part, it doesn't feel intimidating. The boundary between the public sidewalk on Jalan Cimanuk and the entrance is super seamless. It almost naturally pulls you inside. It's a great example of commercial architecture that actually respects and interacts with the street level. Now, the moment you step inside, the vibe shifts completely. You leave the city noise behind and walk into this incredibly warm, curated space. For the interior, Mankind teamed up with a local Bandung-based design studio called Flowers in May. The star of the show here is definitely the wood. There's this heavy focus on gorgeous wooden interiors that creates a striking contrast with the more structured exterior. The wood gives the space a really timeless, natural feel. Plus, the way the natural light filters in through those strategic openings we saw outside, it just hit the texture perfectly. It's clean, it's modern, but it feels surprisingly intimate and cozy. So, what actually goes on inside this building? Like I said, is mixed use. Basically, a one-stop destination. On the ground floor, you've got Fondness. This is Mankind's flagship retail space, merged with a bistro and bar. You can shop for their latest collection and then literally take a 5 steps to grab some Western food, a coffee, or even curated natural wines. They really talk about the whole sensory experience, for what you see, from what you hear, and even how the store smells. But it gets better. If you head upstairs, Mankind Studio actually offers boutique lodging. Yeah, you can actually stay here. The rooms are incredibly well designed with smart layout, bed up, and great lighting. You can wake up, grab a coffee downstairs, do some shopping, and chill at the bar at night all under one roof.
Honestly, as an architecture student, I'm super impressed with how Studio Kota and the Mankind team maximize the space. The circulation flows naturally and transitioning between the retail, dining, and hotel areas feels completely effortless. So it's a perfect example of how thoughtful architecture can elevate a local brand and add so much value to the city's urban landscape. If you are ever in Bandung, you definitely have to drop by Jalan Cimanuk and check it out for yourself. So what do you guys think of the wooden interiors and the mixed use concept? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.